In the beginning, there were two companies. Capone Strategies Incorporated and the K-Factor Enterprises have worked side by side since 2011. Kelly, the owner of the K-Factor Enterprises, has a passion for business with a psychology background. With over 25 years of experience as an established spokesperson and model, Kelly has had the privilege of traveling the world while working and living in other countries, immersing herself in various cultures. With a degree from Vanguard University of Southern California, her past experience makes for her diverse communication skills, humble approach, and concentrated efforts with clients. It's this experience, combined with her education, that has led her to work as a consultant for companies looking to maximize results within the structure of their organization. Whether it's her irreproachable work ethic, her networking skills, or her desire to nurture relationships, Kelly has an innate ability to strategically define clients' needs and implement a plan with spectacular results. Scott, the owner of Capone Strategies Incorporated, is a graduate of the University of Southern California Marshall School of Business, Lloyd Grive Center for Entrepreneurial Studies. He is a seasoned professional, utilizing his entrepreneurial understanding in business development and project management. Scott has over 25 years of extensive working knowledge in diverse environments, from sales and digital marketing to software programming. With vast experience in the growth of technology, he communicates ideas with ease to create a better understanding of long-term attainable goals. Scott's calculated consulting has proven to be invaluable to clients in a variety of global industries over the years. In 2015, this fantastic duo decided it was time for their established companies to become one. Villa de Strategies 214 Incorporated is a full-service digital brand consulting, marketing, and publicity company. At VDS 214, Scott and Kelly understand the psychology behind business and the need for positive representation. In many aspects, the services they provide are traditional in nature, with advertising energy and public relations flair. What sets them apart from other consulting companies, you might ask? Villa de Strategies 214 Incorporated takes into account today's technology, corporate cultures, and your digital footprint. Whether it's a person, a product, or a service, Scott's and Kelly's ultimate goal is to see you be successful. Someday you'll have to ask about their love story. For your complimentary consultation, please visit the VDS 214 website contact page.